Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the external speakers on your Tesla vehicle. So we want to go to this option right here, the three little dots, and we want to go to Toybox. Now this is only available when we're parked, so we can go to Toybox right here, or if we have like Wi-Fi or premium connectivity, or we're connecting on a hotspot here, we can go to the Boombox. So scroll through here, go to Boombox, tap this. And then you have the option for a megaphone. You can talk to people and they will hear you outside your car, and just make sure the volume is turned up enough outside so you might be able to hear it. Hey everyone. And it kind of changes your voice too. But the cool thing is we can go to play current media. So if you're playing any kind of music through your sound system right now, that's going to be playing on the outside of your car, and you can see Boombox is selected here. Just make sure the sound is up enough. And then if you're outside by like a fire or something like that, I don't know, for whatever reason, you can play your music through the external speakers on your Tesla. So you can stop it right here too. And then, yeah, you got these other sounds on here, but look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.